G'day, I'm Chris, and well, this is Ashley.
Hi everybody, how you going?
What are we doing today, Ash?
Well, I feel a bit sad that when I press this button, the frunk doesn't open.
Well, I think we can fix that.
I think we can too. So, you might have seen the previous video where we did the back struts from Evvanex and we said that we would do them. We ran out of time that day.
Yeah, we did, sorry.
So, we'll do them now.
Installing the Evannex struts is very straightforward. Packed into the kit is some types instructions, but the best thing you can actually do is use the online videos. Doing one side at a time, get a flathead screwdriver behind this sleeve and pull it away from the ball. Repeat the process down beneath and that's it, it's out. The one remaining strut will keep the frunk elevated, so you don't need to catch it with your head. Installing Evvanex's strut is very easy. Line up the socket with the ball and press on, starting with the bottom, then the top. Finally, when you repeat the process on the other side, make sure you actually release the strut somewhat by opening and closing it, progressively getting larger and larger until you can close it with very little resistance.
Well, that was seriously quite easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, so once we watched the video, it was only a few quick steps to get it replaced. Only thing I've got to be wary of is that there's the emergency release button inside the frunk there. I just want to make sure that nothing accidentally presses it while you're driving. I noticed from other videos, from I1 I think, they did a video on it where it didn't open all the way while you were driving. There was a secondary safety system, but just something to be aware of.
Yeah, definitely. And unlike with doing the reinstallation, there's no glass near this one, so I was very happy about that.
Yeah, I didn't even risk trying to break the glass this time. So.
Yeah, and yeah, I couldn't suggest a better install for anyone. It doesn't matter what your skill level is, this is something you can definitely do.
Yeah, it was quite easy, though I'm going to be fair, I don't think it's necessary. Trunk ones are amazing, I use them every day. Frunk ones, not so much.
Alright, great. Now look, Ash, thanks for coming on the channel, and look, if you're in the market for a Tesla Model S, X or 3, please do use this referral code and get yourself 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. And Ash, you're on Twitter, yeah?
Yep, I'm as ahill from Oz on Twitter, so send me a PM or a DM and I can talk to you about any of this stuff and we'll see how it went.
Yeah, awesome. Alright, well thanks Ash, and look, be good.
Be green.